April, and today we are doing a small little chocolate box for Easter. How cute is this? And I couldn't decide on what pattern, so I decided I would just do 2 of them so that you guys could see what we were doing. So you've got a piece like this, and you're going to mount and fold and burnish on each one of those lines. And I thought I had my camera going when I was doing these, but you're just going to fold over the sides, fold in those 2 tabs, mount and fold, and then mount and fold. Yeah, my camera wasn't running, and I thought it was. I guess I didn't hit the button all the way. And so it missed part of my folding. But make sure you burnish because it's really important on this one. In the next steps so that it lays flat for you and doesn't keep trying to pop up. Okay, so once you have that, then I'm just going to take a little bit of glue and put it on these 4 little tabs. And then we're going to bring it up and make a 90-degree or 45-degree corner. Make your corner just nice and square. Okay. And you're going to do that on all 4 sides, forming a little box. Get that a second to grab. And then the last one. Oops, I know how to stick my finger right in that glue. Alright, now that it's got a good, let it get a good hold, you're going to, with your box right here on these 2 tabs, okay, these are the 2 tabs we're going to glue. Okay, and you're just going to fold this one back just so you guys can see. You're just going to roll that in and create like a frame right there at the bottom, and just hold it until it grabs. And then you're just going to repeat it on this side. Get that stuck in there. Try not to be as messy with your glue as I am. Just give it a second to grab hold. And that's going to be our little base that holds our chocolate. Okay? And so we're just going to set that to the side. And now we're going to bring this piece over, and you're just going to fold on the 2 scores there at the bottom. Just give them a little rub. And you can do those at the top. It's going to help later. Just kind of fold them in just slightly. You don't have to burnish these. I just kind of bent mine to in both ways just to get it to relax. And then open it back up. And we're going to place our panels. Now I use print and cut, but you can use any pattern paper that you have. This bending that up also helps you see where your score is so that you can get it centered between the 2 score lines. I just love this little plaid. I love the tulips too, but I couldn't decide. This would be cute with little carrot patterns or flowers for Mother's Day. You could change out the sentiment for a Mother's Day sentiment. And I'm just going to flip it around, especially if you have double-sided paper. Make sure that you're putting it on in the right direction. I don't think this one really matters, but just in case. And again, you're just going to place there. Get that even. Okay. So then we have our base, and then you can hold your chocolate in. It should stay in more than likely while you're holding it, but you can take it out if you need to. Probably easier. And just with this folded up, you're going to place this in right to the bottom and then line it up center horizontally. It's pretty good. Then we're just going to pop that chocolate back in there. Just give it a second to set, and then you can fold this up. And I just get a length of ribbon, and all of that you want to use. I thought the gold was cute and would go with any color that I decided to do with my print and cut. And you could do this two ways. You could fold this over and put it in and loop it and do it that way, or you can tie a bow. Whatever you decide is totally up to you, however you want them to open it. So you could do it two ways. This is this way, like so, and then they would just have to pull the ribbon off, or you can loop it through like I did here and tie a bow, rabbit ear bow. Totally up to you on that as well. Depends on how you want it to look. That's cute. I think I like the bow best. I'm going to pull that off and thread it through. This is the way that I did it. Bring that up and then just do your half knot to the front, and then I just flipped it around and I did what I call the rabbit ear bow. It's 2 loops. Don't want my ribbon twisted though. There we go. Just 2 loops and do another half knot. And then you can flip it around and you can play with it, get it like you want. All right, trim off your ends, get them even however you want to do those. And then I just used a piece of scrap paper here for this one. And I did pop dot this up. And I already messed up mine. I knew that was wet when I did this on camera, but maybe I can fix it. I did use Nuvo drops on his little bunny tail here. I was trying to be careful. So I'm just going to go over it again. Let that dry. And you can, these are the Nuvo Dream Drops, and this is Indigo Eclipse. So I'm just going to set that off to the side so I don't mess them up again. And a couple of foam dots, and you can just glue it straight to there if you want. You don't have to do this step. I just thought it was cute. And I have a ton of foam dots, so may as well use them, right? And then get that centered in where you want it. And then I did pop dot this up as well. Those release liners off. And then center up our Happy Easter. And you can totally change the color of this. I just did it in black and white just to give it that pop. But you could make it purple or pink or whatever color that you want to make that as well. It is in the file. All I did was take 2 images from Designspace, the rabbit frame and the word Easter, and I popped it in there and welded them together. And then I added the word happy and added that in. Then I created an offset for it. And then I contoured out that offset so that it was solid, made it white, and flattened it together. Then I created a offset of that to make my little purple piece. And if you do that, you'll have to change that to cut if you do it before you, if you do it once you've flattened, because it will make that offset print and cut as well. So make sure that you change that back to a basic cut and cut that from whatever color that you like. How stinking cute are those? I hope that you guys enjoy and make some of these. Let me see what you do and post them in the group. You can do these for birthday parties, bridal showers, Easter, any holiday that you want to do. You can change this up. This thing is so versatile that you can use it for any occasion and dress it up or dress it down as much as you want. So you guys have a great day. Happy crafting. I will catch you on Thursday for Tutorial Thursday. We're doing the dragon pop-up, and I will catch you on that one. Have a great day. Happy crafting.